DJI Osmo Action 4 and 5, 100% brightness. One is a TFT and the other is an OLED. Both are on 5 minutes of record time. If we swipe down, we see how they're set up. We're going to basically come here and go to never on both. And see what never does. 10 seconds later, and 10 seconds later, and 10 seconds later, dims down on the Action 5. After a minute's time, it has stayed dim entirely and not shut off entirely. This is to conserve battery power. It is the way DJI has made it. When a camera stays on never, it should look like the first one, be equal, match like for like. But the brightness level is too bright if asked. This is always at this level, and the Action 5 Pro needs to be tamed down. Maybe by the second octave of brightness matches the Osmo Action 4, like so. We have a camera that is too bright. If we swipe down, then we bring this down to about 5 minutes time, we can no longer come in here and change it to a brightness level while recording. Once again, this is how DJI works, and we have no control. We are on 100% brightness. Normally I leave mine on about 68%. And that's just about 100% brightness of the Action 4. 68%. You decide which one works for you in the brightness level.